Your phone screen is glowing with the perfect outfit. It looks high-end and chic. Best of all, it only costs $15. That little rush of dopamine hits your brain immediately. You feel like you just won the lottery of online shopping. But before you even think about typing in your credit card number, you need to hear about a site called Opazity. This place is not just a bargain bin. It is a digital disaster area. Most websites at least try to pass a basic safety test. This one managed to score a literal 0 out of 100 on safety checkers. That is actually impressive in the worst way possible. It is hard to be that consistently untrustworthy. Security firms across the internet are practically screaming at you to stay away. When multiple experts tell you to run, you should probably listen to them. The first red flag is the photography. Those beautiful professional images are not theirs. They were stolen directly from other brands and higher-end retailers. They are selling you a fantasy that only exists in a stolen digital file. Think about the real designers who put in the work only to have their images scraped by a scam site. If a package ever actually shows up at your house, you will likely find a piece of fabric that looks more like a dishcloth than a dress. It is the ultimate bait and switch, but the deception is even lazier than you might think. They did not even bother to make up their own fake physical address. They just copied and pasted one from a totally different website. It is the absolute peak of low-effort scamming. However, the real danger is not just a lost $20. It is your entire identity. One shopper tried to get a refund after a bad experience. They were redirected to a third-party site. This site actually had the nerve to ask for a social security number just to process a simple return. Think about the sheer audacity of that request for a moment. You want to send back a cheap shirt, and they want the keys to your entire financial life. That is not a business. That is a fishing expedition for your most private data. If you try to reach out to their customer service, you will get nothing but silence. There is no real contact information given. There is no accountability for your lost money. It is a digital ghost ship floating in the dark corners of the web. The trust score is so low it is basically underground. When a security advisor tells you to head for the hills, that is your cue to close the tab immediately. Your peace of mind and your financial safety are worth way more than a cheap polyester top. Stick to the stores that do not need a list of security warnings just to load their homepage. Save your cash for a place that actually exists in the real world. You deserve better than a scam. Avoid the headache and keep your information safe from these digital predators. They are just waiting for another person to click that buy button. Do not let it be you. Keep your eyes open and your credit card in your wallet when things look too good to be true.